In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sora 2 in 2 minutes. Fast edit. Let's get you from zero to your first AI-generated video fast. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. Any modern browser works. If your address bar doubles as a search box, you can type directly there. This just gives us a quick and familiar way to find the official Sora page. Type the word Sora into the search bar and press enter. You'll see a mix of results. Look for the official Sora website near the top. It should clearly reference Sora and the Explore page. If you see ads or lookalike results, ignore those and choose the genuine site. A quick glance at the domain and the secure lock icon in your browser helps confirm you're in the right place. Once you're on the Sora site, you'll see a prompt field. This is where the magic happens. A prompt is a short description that tells Sora exactly what to generate. The more specific and visual your description, the better the result. Focus on the subject, the action, the setting, the mood, and any style or realism you want. Think of it like directing a short scene. For example, you could write a realistic, funny hotel room moment where a man in pajamas panics as a full-sized deer bursts in, skids across the floor, knocks over furniture, and wildly circles the room before escaping. Notice how that prompt clarifies the tone, the setting, the main characters, and the key actions. That level of detail helps Sora understand what to prioritize. If you care about style, you can add cues like cinematic, handheld, or cozy lighting. If pacing matters, mention quick cuts or slow, steady shots. Keep it concise but descriptive. After you've written your prompt, click Create Video. Sora will begin generating. Depending on complexity and server load, this can take a bit, so give it a moment. When your video appears, play it through to see how well it matches your intention. If parts feel off, maybe the motion is too chaotic or the mood isn't clear, adjust the wording in your prompt and try again. Tightening verbs, clarifying the setting, or specifying camera movement often yields dramatic improvements. Small tweaks can make a big difference. And that's it. You searched for Sora, opened the official site, wrote a clear, goal-focused prompt, and hit Create Video. With a few rounds of refinement, you'll dial in the exact look and feel you want. If the interface ever changes, the core idea stays the same. Describe your scene clearly, then let Sora bring it to life. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.